Are you intrigued by the idea of having an undercarriage pressure washer installed at your home to give your car the ultimate cleaning treatment? Experience the effortless coverage provided by this cutting-edge system that automatically shields your car. Imagine a world where driving an SUV isn't hindered by disability anymore. Discover how these cool gadgets are merely a click away, waiting to enhance your everyday experience. If you're heading for something crucial, like cruising down the highway and suddenly a flat tire threatens to derail your plans, it's a nerve-wracking scenario, but imagine having a solution right at your fingertips, a game changer called the ETHAR running tire. A revolutionary device crafted to be your go-to solution for flat tires without the hassle of changing or seeking immediate help. This Malaysian innovation allows you to keep driving at speeds up to 24 miles per hour, ensuring you stay in control. It's versatile, fitting snugly on various car models, on both front and rear tires, holding an impressive 2,600 kilograms effortlessly. Plus, its straightforward attachment process makes it a breeze to use. Simply position it by the flat tire, drive over, secure it with the safety strap, and you're good to go. Introducing the groundbreaking Mosmatic undercarriage cleaner ramp, a revolutionary invention standing at a mere 5 inches tall, utilizing patented technology to give your vehicle the care it deserves. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, this innovative mat can be effortlessly assembled in minutes, whether for a permanent setup or swift removal. What sets it apart? This marvel seamlessly adapts to pressure washer pump systems ranging from 6 to 20 gallons per minute, accommodating both hot and cold water systems, while handling chemicals from a pH of 3 to 12. Our valuable vehicles and fleets faces nature's challenges, and the corrosive impact of chemicals demands protection. They endure harsh conditions that wreak havoc on their chassis, components, and body. The cleaner ramp acts as a shield, curbing the havoc wreaked by debris like dust, sand, and mud that cling to the chassis, generating excessive heat within the vehicle's fluids. Moreover, it safeguards against the corrosive impact of chemicals, averting breakdowns and service issues by preserving the chassis and critical components. Check this out. ATC specializes in converting a diverse range of GM trucks, such as the Chevy Silverado 1500 or 2500, and the GMC 1500 or 2500, making them wheelchair accessible. You've got options. Choose between a driver or passenger side conversion. Most wheelchairs can easily fit into the 2-wheel drive models, though there are some considerations for the 4-wheel drive variants. Looking for something beyond these models? ATC does provide customized conversion lifts for different vehicle makes and models. Keep in mind, though, this might slightly extend production time and incur additional costs. Curious about a tailored conversion? Reach out to the company for a comprehensive review of your specific needs. They'll assess the feasibility of installing a conversion system and prepare a personalized quote just for you. Imagine a world where your car effortlessly shields itself from the harsh elements, whether it's the scorching sun or heavy snowfall while parked outside your garage. That fantasy is now a reality with automatic car covers. For those uninterested in an automatic car umbrella, perhaps the remote-controlled automatic car cover by Favo Tech is more appealing. Simply retrieve it from your car trunk, place it atop your vehicle, and activate the button. Then press the remote control button and watch as it unfurls its protective cover, essentially wrapping your car. All that's left for you is to secure the corners. Once snugly covered, your car becomes impervious to the sun's rays, weather changes, snow, and more. Compatible with over 500 car models, this innovation offers convenience and protection with unparalleled ease. Now let's explore the next cutting-edge gadget. If you've been captivated by what you've witnessed thus far, make sure to hit the subscribe button and smash the like button. Don't miss out on future updates. Imagine the anguish of every car owner's nightmare: hail damage. When a heavy hailstorm strikes, it's not just the visible dents that cause concern. It's the proven and significant depreciation, often amounting to a minimum loss of 20% in your car's value. The aftermath doesn't stop there. It trickles into your insurance premium, causing an unwelcome hike. Climate change exacerbates this issue, as extreme weather conditions, like golf ball-sized hailstorms, coupled with intense thunderstorms, become increasingly common. Brace yourself. Your car's vulnerability to these elements will escalate, leading to more frequent depreciation in value. This looming probability intensifies, especially in sought-after holiday destinations like Italy, Germany, France, Sweden, Austria, or Switzerland. The risk of hail damage, and subsequently loss of your car's value, grows substantially in these regions. Prepare for your next adventure by bringing your bikes along, using the innovative 2-bike tow ball carrier from Thule. This carrier isn't just limited to specific bike types. It accommodates electric bikes, e-bikes, fat bikes, or even kids' bikes. Mount it effortlessly onto your car, and it securely holds up to 2 bikes, supporting a combined weight of 60 kilograms. Safety is paramount. Your bikes remain firmly in place with lockable clamps and extended wheeled straps, ensuring a worry-free journey. With its high load capacity, it caters to e-bikes and robust mountain bikes, promising a secure transportation experience. Want to up the biking ante? Consider expanding the carrier's capacity to 3 bikes by incorporating the Thule VeloSpace XT bike adapter. Moreover, its extended wheel trays allow for bikes with a wheelbase of up to 1,300 millimeters, providing ample space for larger models. Adaptability is key. The adjustable pump buckles and elongated wheeled straps effortlessly fasten wheels of up to 4.7 inches, making it a seamless fit for transporting fat bikes. Discover the extraordinary Lanmodo Vast M1 dash cam, an innovation that redefines visibility, empowering you to peer up to 984 feet into the darkness. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like a 7-glass lens, a Sony CMOS sensor, and an algorithm that rivals GoPro standards, this device ensures unparalleled clarity. Day or night, adverse weather or clear skies, the Lanmodo Vast M1 effortlessly captures the road ahead and behind you. Its upgraded 75-degree field of view camera at the front, coupled with a wide 170-degree rear camera, ensures comprehensive visibility. Even in low-light conditions, its exceptional capability to see up to 984 feet sets a new standard. The crystal-clear 1080p Full HD resolution, combined with industry-leading features, surpasses its contemporaries, leaving other dash cams struggling to keep pace. Embrace the seamless blend of aesthetics and comfort with the WOEHR Turntable, crafted to offer a tailored 360-degree experience. The WOEHR Turntable effortlessly marries style and practicality. It serves as a versatile solution, aiding in parking challenges, where forward driving becomes intricate. Moreover, it showcases your vehicle from its most dazzling angle, enhancing its allure. Customizable in dimensions and loading capacity, the CTT adapts to diverse vehicle types, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. It's the optimal answer in spaces with limited turning radius, enabling effortless entries and exits without cumbersome maneuvers. This innovative turntable isn't just about convenience. It's a boon for car exhibitions and photography, elevating presentation and capturing the essence of every vehicle. For added convenience and efficiency, opt for the remote control feature, offering seamless operation at your fingertips. Discover the latest in gadgets by hitting that subscribe button, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing this video with your nearest and dearest. Hit the bell icon to stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates. Please watch this next video for more latest gadgets.